Welcome to a Shropshire lad.
Camping. Right folks, gonna try and make a video. Been a while. This is nothing exciting, no expeditions. It's just what we call a cheeky Friday nighter. So we're in our local turf, Shropshire Hills, and out with the infamous Dave Outdoors and Got to Get Outdoors. I should change my name to Shropshire Lad Outdoors. I'll fit in. So we're going for a little camp and a good old natter. Got a couple of beers. I'm not on beers, I'm on diet. But yeah, gonna go and set up over there, put the world to rights, and I've got a little something to show you. And he has. Right, we're here. It is a bit early, but I'm going to stand in this wind all evening, otherwise I'll be froze. So I'm going to try and film this for you. Yeah, I'm going to put the camera on a tripod, but I suspect it'll blow over. Winds are, what, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, 50 mile an hour. I mean, bloody hell. Look, it's just chaos, man.
Then I'll work out what I can do then. Still got the fucking tank.
Look. Woohoo! Get a load of that.
Look!
There we have it. A Hilleberg Soulo, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that smile. Right, I'm gonna get the gear in now. This is the thing about the Soulo, you have to be a bit organised. This is obviously a sleeping bay, and there's not a massive vestibule on them, unlike the Acto, which just goes out a bit more. But they're built for everything, aren't they? So everything's a compromise. So I'm going to spend a couple of minutes organising myself. So I'll probably speed this up. Set up. So this is the Hilleberg Soulo. Still don't know how to say it. It's spelt Soulo, so I'm saying Soulo. So I'm trying tonight with that rucksack up at the head end of there. I don't know if that's the right sort of method. The outer might be touching the inner there. Anyway, there's actually more room in here than I anticipated. So I think I'm probably going to shove the rucksack down that end. But I've got my UGQ quilt, all my pillows, got my cook kit in there. I'll sort that out in a bit. We'll probably be cooking in the vestibule. Got my little CPAP machine in there, because I have sleep apnea, so I have a portable CPAP machine. My thermarest in there. I've got 3 pillows. I have one underneath, one on the top, and then an extra one just for the sheer hell of it. So yeah, we put this thing up and it was blowing a hoolie, and you probably saw it flapping as we were doing it, but I have to say now it's up, it's bloody solid, isn't it? Old Dave's the same. Let's have a look in there then. Oh, you've gone the other way. You've put the door into the wind.
Only because I've seen Jiffy do it.
You're not messing about at all.
No, I've seen Jiffy do it. So,
let's have a little tour then.
Oh yeah, go on then.
In Dave's boudoir.
So it's pretty much the same as yours, good. It's got the like I call it a T door.
Oh right.
But you can
tell me more about the door.
Okay, so the door. Sorry, I need to put my drink down. So you do the top there, and it comes in 2 halves down the bottom, so the door actually opens fully.
Oh right.
Yeah.
Okay. That is a nice feature. So you can lie in bed and just look out at the stars and the.
Open that all the way back. Oh yeah. You tie it back as well.
Like it.
Yeah,
so you're in the old thermarest quilt.
Expert. Yeah, the normal stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, chuffed with it. Really chuffed.
Excellent. Look at them. They're not even moving. Is that a thing you say? Let's have a look at Andy's setup. What's that on the rucksack, mate? I like that.
I don't know. Some little
logo.
knob with a sticker on it. I don't know what it is.
That's smart, isn't it?
Who the hell's this? Bloody fly tippers
I like them.
Link in the description.
This is like the old Acto, isn't it? Where you've got more room inside than the thing is outside. Very nice.
New mats as well.
Ooh, bit of purchase. Oh, you're going lightweight. Is that one of those climate
static.
Say that again.
Climate static.
Static. Say chicken. Say chicken.
Sorry.
We're going in.
He's going in.
It's bedtime. It's 9 o'clock.
He's going in dry.
Oh, mate, it's like sitting on a radiator.
Oh. He's loving it, isn't he?
This is it.
So we've got Mr. Got to Get Outdoors with us tonight. He's joined us in his Robans too. And we are in Hilleberg de Acto. No, not the Acto. Fuck. We're in the Hilleberg Soulo.
You got that many tents, Dave, you forget which one you're in.
Anyway, we'll leave you with the main man who owns the channel. Put your hands together for a Shropshire lad.
Look at all the room in this.
Link in the description if you want a Shropshire Lad stickers. Yes, they are available. Hit him up. 70 quid. 3 quid in a chicken.
Go on.
Have a little look. Oh, what's this?
Oh,
What's the chances?
oh, can I have the crushed up one?
They're so cared for. I'll send you a better one. Look at this. Oh yeah, snug as a bug in a rug. Doors wide open. Thought you wanted it. Snug as a bug in a rug. Just gonna watch watch Ted Lasso on the phone, and then drift off to sleep. So catch you lot in the morning. Morning. It's coming up to 6 o'clock. Andy's up first. Rest of us are still about. Just having a coffee. Just lying here with this door open, having a look at the morning view. Second coffee of the morning. Well, let's give you my first thoughts on the Hilleberg Soulo then. Love it. Quite nice to know that when you're in it and zipped up, going anywhere. It is an absolute rock solid tent. Far more geared up for weather that I shall ever be brave enough to camp in, if I'm honest. No condensation. There was quite a bit of wind last night. I guess it's just a natural process, isn't it? So if you've got airflow, you're not going to get condensation. Sorry about that. gas blew out. Right. Yeah, no condensation in here, so I guess that's just a thing you have to deal with as and when the conditions create it. Plenty of room. What am I, 6 foot, 5'11" I am. What I've done is I've put the rucksack, just as a test really, I've put my big 60 to 70 litre Osprey, I've just wedged it at the back of the bed. And I've got plenty of room in here. I'm on a Thermarest Max, is it? So I don't think it's a bit any longer, but it's certainly plenty of room this side, so I'll put some gear there. And what I was pleasantly surprised is the old vestibule. They're obviously a bit smaller than in the Acto, so I thought it might have been a bit cramped, but actually there's enough. There's enough space. You don't want any less, but there's plenty to sort out what you got. I got all my gear in last night, all in the dry. Got my boots down the other end. Everything's all in, and the main feature that I absolutely love on this thing is the door. It's having the inner door all the way back, so you've got full access to this vestibule. Oh, it's just amazing. So I've been laying here this morning, door open, looking at the view, having me coffee. I'm happy. Anyway, that's all I'd say about it. I've only slept in it once, so I'm gonna have this, and then we'll slowly pack up, and we'll do it again another night. Right folks, there's a bit of a steam on my lens, so this might not look very good, but great camp, really enjoyed that. Quick cheeky Friday nighter, all packed up, everything's all cleared away, no trace. Did notice a little bit of rubbish on the cairn, which is a bit of a shake on the beer cans and stuff, so we're gonna pick that up and take that away with us. Sod it. So time is 7:30. So steady walk back to the car, pop down into Church Stretton and have a cooked brekkie. So thanks for watching. I won't bore you with a walk back, seen that plenty of times. Thank you to Andy, got to get outdoors, and Dave the legend himself, Dave Outdoors, and we'll see you on another one.